Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of curcumin. Picture curcumin as the magical ingredient in turmeric, the spice that adds color and zest to your curry. But guess what? Curcumin does way more than just spice up your meals. It's like a health superhero. So get comfy, grab your notepads, and let's unravel the incredible health benefits of curcumin. Are you ready to sprinkle some knowledge into your wellness adventure? Let's spice it up. Firstly, curcumin can inhibit molecules and enzymes that play a key role in the body's pain response, potentially reducing pain sensations. Studies suggest that curcumin can be effective in managing pain and inflammation associated with arthritis, including osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. It may help improve joint mobility and reduce joint swelling and stiffness. Curcumin may alleviate muscle and joint pain by reducing inflammation in the affected areas. This makes it a promising natural remedy for conditions like tendinitis or general muscle soreness. Research indicates that curcumin may provide relief from neuropathic pain, which is often associated with nerve damage or conditions like diabetic neuropathy. Some studies suggest that curcumin's anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties may help manage headaches and migraines. Did you know curcumin has gained attention for its potential to support brain health and cognitive function? It's a potent antioxidant that helps neutralize harmful free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, which is known to contribute to brain aging and neurodegenerative disorders. Curcumin may increase levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a growth hormone that functions in the brain, potentially promoting the growth and maintenance of nerve cells and supporting cognitive functions like learning and memory. Research suggests that curcumin may help prevent or manage Alzheimer's disease by inhibiting the accumulation of beta-amyloid plaques, which are characteristic of the disease. Curcumin's neuroprotective properties may help protect against various neurological disorders, including Parkinson's disease, multiple sclerosis, and stroke, by reducing inflammation and oxidative damage. It may assist in managing symptoms of depression by enhancing brain chemicals and reducing inflammation associated with the condition. Curcumin may also support better blood flow to the brain, potentially improving overall brain function and cognition. But wait, there is more. Curcumin is a strong antioxidant that helps combat oxidative stress and free radicals, which are known to contribute to heart disease and blood vessel damage. Curcumin may improve endothelial function, enhancing the health of the thin membrane that lines the inside of the heart and blood vessels. Healthy endothelial function is vital for maintaining proper blood pressure and blood clotting. Studies suggest that curcumin may help reduce levels of LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, contributing to better heart health and reducing the risk of atherosclerosis. It may also help prevent blood clots by reducing platelet aggregation, which is crucial for reducing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Curcumin's antiarrhythmic properties may help regulate heart rhythm and reduce the risk of abnormal heart rhythms. Additionally, curcumin may help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, which is beneficial for individuals with diabetes or insulin resistance. What's more, curcumin is known for its strong anti-inflammatory properties, which can help modulate the immune response by reducing inflammation, a key component of many immune-related conditions. Curcumin may enhance the activity of various immune cells, including T cells, B cells, macrophages, and natural killer cells, which are crucial for immune defense and disease resistance. It may also improve the production of antibodies, enhancing the immune system's ability to recognize and fight against pathogens like bacteria and viruses. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. But the benefits don't stop there. Curcumin may enhance wound healing by promoting tissue regeneration, accelerating the closure of wounds, and potentially reducing the appearance of scars. It possesses antibacterial and antimicrobial properties that may help prevent and treat infections in wounds, supporting the healing process. Curcumin's analgesic properties may help alleviate pain and discomfort associated with wounds, providing relief during the healing period. It may also aid in treating burns and sunburns by reducing inflammation, promoting healing, and providing relief from pain and irritation. Curcumin may benefit individuals with skin conditions like psoriasis, eczema, and acne due to its anti-inflammatory and soothing properties. It may help manage symptoms and improve overall skin health. It has skin brightening properties that may help reduce hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and uneven skin tone. Additionally, curcumin has been associated with several digestive health benefits. It can aid in improving digestion by stimulating the gallbladder to produce bile, which supports the breakdown and digestion of fats in the digestive system. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory and soothing properties may help provide relief from symptoms associated with irritable bowel syndrome, such as abdominal pain and discomfort. Curcumin may support gut health and the balance of the microbiome by acting as a prebiotic, promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Studies suggest that curcumin may help manage ulcerative colitis by reducing inflammation and supporting overall gut health. Curcumin may aid in the prevention and healing of gastric ulcers by reducing inflammation and supporting the mucosal lining of the stomach. It may also have antispasmodic effects, helping to relax the smooth muscles of the digestive tract and potentially reducing symptoms of bloating and abdominal cramping. Lastly, research suggests that curcumin may help prevent and treat cancer by inhibiting the growth and spread of cancer cells and reducing angiogenesis, formation of blood vessels and tumors. It may help neutralize and eliminate carcinogens, substances that can cause cancer, offering protective effects. It's important to note that while curcumin shows promise in cancer prevention and treatment, more research, including clinical trials, is needed to fully understand its potential benefits and establish standardized treatment protocols. There you have it, folks. Curcumin, the golden warrior of spices, standing strong with its array of health perks. Spice up your life with curcumin for a vibrant and well-nurtured body. Here's to a zestier, healthier journey ahead. See you tomorrow in the next video. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.